One review. That's all it starts with. One customer, one purchase, one experience. But what if that review could do more? Become social media content, attract new customers, and create even more reviews. Most businesses stop when the customer leaves. Reviews get collected, end of story. But hidden inside every great review is content that people trust, which is mostly ignored by a lot of businesses. Meet quick reviews. The customer scans a QR code and gives star ratings. QuickHub AI writes the review based on the star ratings. The customer publishes it on Google. Done. Now the review becomes content. One review, multiple posts, multiple platforms, no manual writing. More reviews create trust. Trust attracts customers. Customers create reviews, and the cycle keeps growing automatically. Collect reviews, create content, launch ads, grow your business, all from customer feedback, powered by QuickHub.